Hello everyone, in this lecture we will learn how to run tests in parallel with Pytest. By default, Pytest runs tests in a sequential order. That means one by one. One test case execution is completed, then next test case starts, like that. In real time, when we have more number of test cases, let's say 1000 test cases, it takes more time to execute it. So to reduce this execution time, we can run tests in parallel. In parallel execution, we can run multiple test cases simultaneously. So the overall execution time gets reduced with parallel test execution. So let's see how we can do a parallel execution in Pytest. First we need to install a Pytest plugin. So let's see how we can install it. Let's go to Google. Let me search for Pytest plugins. So here you see the first link, right? Pytest documentation. Let's click on this. Okay, so here you can see all the Pytest plugins. So here we will search for Xdist. So this is the plugin we want to install. So here you can see Pytest-xdist. So just click on this. So here you can see the pip command, how to install it. Okay, and here in this project description, what you see, the Pytest-xdist plugin extend Pytest with new test execution modes. The mode used being distributing tests across multiple CPUs to speed up test execution. And how we will execute it? This is the command. Okay, anyway, I will explain it. So first let's go to our terminal and then install this. Okay, let me copy this and let's go to our terminal. Let me paste it here and press enter. So you see it is already installed for me. That's why you can see requirement already satisfied. But for you, once it is successfully installed, you will see that message, it is installed successfully. Okay, once it is installed, we can just execute it by this command. Okay, so let me just paste it here. So here you see Pytest -n, then auto. So in place of auto, you can give, let's say 2. So what 2 means? It means all tests will be distributed across 2 processes. Okay, so let's see the test suite which we want to execute. Let's go to our PyCharm. So here we have this test demo.py file, right? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4 test cases. Okay, so let's execute this test. So again, let's go to the terminal, and here what we can do, we can just write test_demo.py. Okay, so we will execute this test, okay, where we have 4 test cases. Okay, and we want to run it in 2 different processes. So let me just execute it. Okay, so 1 failed, 3 passed, but if you will come here and see 2 workers and 4 items. So what that means? 2 worker means Pytest is running test in parallel using 2 separate processes. Then 4 items means a total of 4 test functions or test cases are being executed. So you saw, right, these 4 test cases are getting executed. That is why you are seeing here 4 items. Okay, if you have more number of test cases, then you will see more items here. Okay, let's say if you have 6 test cases, you will see 6 items. Okay, so the 4 test items so divided between these 2 workers. So worker 1 run 2 test cases and worker 2 runs other 2 test cases. So like that it works. So we can do something like this. Let's say we'll say Pytest -n. Anyway, we have 4 test cases, right? So we can put 4 here. So basically it will get executed in 4 different processes. So let's see how it works. Okay, so here if you will come here and you see, right, 4 workers and 4 items. 4 test cases are executed across 4 processes. Okay, 1 in each process. That's how this parallel test execution works. So basically here when you put just 1, it means in 1 process all the test cases are getting executed. But when you put more number of processes here, it means tests are splitted across different processes. So the overall execution time gets reduced and it speeds up the overall test execution. Okay, I hope now you are clear how to run test in parallel with Pytest. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.